change the oil and clean the spark arrestor on your P2500iEBT generator, follow these steps. Place the generator on a flat and level surface. Begin by starting the engine and allow it to run for a few minutes. Always operate the generator outdoors in a well-ventilated area. Then, stop the engine and turn the fuel valve switch off. Then, remove the maintenance cover. Next, elevate the generator to gain access to the drain plug. Clean the area around the oil dipstick. Then, remove the oil dipstick and set aside. Next, place a drain pan under the generator. Placing a rag in the bottom of the drain pan will help prevent the splashing of oil. Now, remove the rubber grommet from the bottom of the tray. Next, clean the area around the drain plug. Then, unscrew the drain plug to allow the oil to drain completely. Avoid contact with hot oil to prevent the risk of burns. Next, inspect the drain plug. The sealing surfaces on the drain plug should be clean and free of burrs, nicks, or scratches. Then, reinstall the drain plug. Wipe away any residual oil. Then, reinstall the rubber grommet on the bottom of the generator. Remove the drain pan and dispose of the used oil properly at your local recycling facility. Next, insert the included funnel into the fill valve. Add the recommended oil to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Next, reinstall the dipstick completely. Next, start the engine and allow it to run for 1 to 2 minutes in a well-ventilated area. Stop the engine and inspect for leaks. Next, inspect the engine oil level. Add oil as needed to bring the level to the upper mark on the dipstick. Reinstall the dipstick and wipe up any residual oil. Then, reinstall the maintenance cover and tighten the fasteners until fully seated. In addition to changing the oil, clean the spark arrestor at every oil change. Reference your owner's manual for the full procedure. Allow the generator to cool completely before performing any spark arrestor maintenance. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit PolarisPower.com.